Well, sometimes it's just great to be out on Camilla and I on a superb evening. And yeah, what a delightful evening. And we're actually at quite a new reserve. It's actually the closest nature reserve to us that the RSPB offer near Salisbury. It's literally 20 minutes from Salisbury, about 10 miles. And yeah, Winterbourne Downs. It's a stunning reserve, and I suppose its most famous inhabitant is the Stone Curlew. And regularly each year, Stone Curlew do come back to this reserve, so that's why I suppose we're here. Ooh, beautiful. But yeah, just an evening recce really. Absolutely brilliant. And yeah, if you haven't seen the Stone Curlew, apparently they're 2 a penny on the continent, but photographing them in the UK is very difficult. So we should be coming up to a blind somewhere around here on the left hand side, and this is really the only viewing area for the Stone Curlew. So anyway, I suppose I'd better be quiet, although usually they're right over the other side of the field. Anyway, just going round to the blind now. So this is the only place in the whole nature reserve really you can view the Stone Curlew from, and you're a long way from the actual nesting Stone Curlew, and unbelievably I have actually spotted one behind a water trough, and it's probably the nearest to the blind I've ever seen one actually, but there's no chance of capturing it. And indeed, as I was looking at it, they just stand there totally still at this time of day, not moving an inch. And then eventually it sat down, and when it sat down it became even more invisible. Amazing, amazing creature, the Stone Curlew. Looks like something out of ancient history, but an amazing bird. Anyway, we won't be capturing it on film tonight, especially not with just these. Amazing. Anyway, yeah, literally I'll flip you around, see what I mean. Yeah, if you can see that stone trough roughly in the middle of the screen. Well, it's not stone, it's a metal trough. To the left hand side is the wires for the electric fence which keeps predators off. The trough in front, just beyond the trough, is a Stone Curlew, possibly in its nest, very close to the trough. But say when I came it was standing up, but now it's sitting down and it is totally invisible. And I didn't even see its eyes, it had its back to me, so it was very difficult to say, but I'm pretty confident it was a Stone Curlew. Amazing. And there's supposed to be another 2 birds out there, but I can't see them for love nor money, not even through the bins. Amazing. What a bird. So when you walk around the reserve, you can walk right round the edge of the field that the Stone Curlew are in, but because of the topography of the land, it's impossible to see the Stone Curlew from this position. So yeah, quick flip you around. Yeah, so literally that is the water butt that I was looking at the Stone Curlew from, and that's from the fence from this direction, and you can't go beyond this fence. So yeah, the water butt is literally down there, and it's just the curvature of the land prevents you from actually seeing where the Stone Curlew are. So unless they nest further up the field, you don't see them at all. So there's no point in going anywhere else other than that blind if you're in a hurry, because you can't go beyond this fence here. Nice walkway either way, but you can't go beyond this fence. Well, I think I've spotted another Stone Curlew, but I can't move from this spot, otherwise I'll lose it. It's one of those. Sitting down again, and it's to the left of two of the electric fence poles in a line, and if I deviate from this path I won't be able to see it at all. Incredible bird. One has nested just a bit further up the field, making it visible from this path, but visible. Visible, amazingly visible. Yeah, visible. Well, unless you know exactly what you're looking for, you haven't got a hope. I mean, it's great if it shows you the eye, gives you the eye, but even now, holding the binoculars as steady as I can, let's try the arms in a bit, steady as I can, I'm still struggling to see the eye of the bird. I'm sure it is a Stone Curlew. Yeah, I'm pretty confident. Oh, sun's coming out. Might get a chance. Come on, look this way. Come on, bug eyes. Bug eyes, come on. No, it doesn't matter how many insults I throw at this bird, it's just not going to move. Oh, a bunny's interfered. That was a hare. A hare has arrived on the scene. Oh yes, that's useful. Hare's having a stretch, and yeah, that's definitely a Stone Curlew. It's looking at the bunny now. Hooray! Yeah, Stone Curlew. Amazing. So that's two we spotted, or could it be the same one behind the water trough? Ooh, angles, perspective. It's very difficult to say. I don't know. Oh, the hare is sitting between me and the Stone Curlew now. Incredible. Oh, the skylark's just flown up. Well, I'm going to have to come back with the 1200mm, I think, because otherwise you're just not going to believe me. Yeah, quite amazing, and I can hardly believe it myself. They are so far off. I mean, that is about 600 metres from me, and you've got to bear in mind they're sitting down in tufted grass. So, a challenge on Camilla and I. Say, can I get one on the nest? Well, we'll give it a go. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this excursion to Winterbourne Downs. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Quick flick you round to end on. What a lovely evening to end on. And they seem to have produced a chalk sort of snake off there in the distance. One of these butterfly mounds, no doubt, that are piling up around the area. And yeah, what a beautiful evening. God, who needs Camilla, eh? No, I'll be back with Camilla. Don't worry. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye for now. From Winterbourne Downs. Oh, magnificent evening. Mwah.